First tonight, the dramatic shots of a prominent politician getting manhandled at the Beehive. And it wasn't New Zealand security doing the roughing up, but staff sent from China to protect their vice president.
Shortly we'll look at other incidents here when leaders from the communist heavyweight have visited. But first, Aaron Soma witnessed what happened to Greens co-leader Russell Norman. He joins us now live. Aaron.
Good evening. This is what it's all over. Russell Norman's Tibetan flag, and this is where it happened. A security entrance here at Parliament. Look, I was just metres away from the Green Party MP and the Chinese Vice President, and I can tell you it turned from peaceful to chaotic in just moments.
Freedom for Tibet. Freedom for the people of Tibet.
An umbrella used to cover up Russell Norman's Tibetan flag.
Freedom for the people of Tibet.
Seconds later, it gets even nastier.
Give me my flag back. Give me my flag back.
Members of the Chinese Vice President's entourage roughing up the Green Party co-leader.
They elbowed me out of the way and then they put an umbrella over the top of me and then they took the flag off my hands and trampled on it.
We had two cameras rolling on the altercation. Here you see the speaker quite calmly greeting the Chinese dignitary. And just metres away, the fight that rumbled on.
Give me my flag back. Give me my flag back. Freedom for the people of Tibet.
Russell Norman's in the process of laying complaints with police and the Speaker's office, calling into question freedom of speech.
I think it's pretty outrageous that Chinese security can come to our country and push around an elected member of Parliament simply because we're standing up for democracy and freedom in our own country on our own parliamentary grounds.
Questions are being asked too about whether it soured New Zealand's strengthening relationship with China.
While we fully believe and support the freedom of speech and the freedom of rights in this country, I'd hate to see that overshadow what has been a growing and developing relationship.
Relationships aside, Russell Norman's hoping his one-man protest cuts deep.
Give me my flag back.
And his message is heard loud and clear. Police have released a statement this evening saying that they are investigating, and as part of that, they'll be speaking to any witnesses and viewing any video footage of the incident. So that may be footage you've just seen here on One News, may become part of that inquiry. We understand the Chinese Vice President flies out tomorrow, so police here may need to act quickly if they want to press any charges.
In Wellington, Aaron Soma, thank you.